So for today's video, we're going to show you on how to treat watermarks. But before we do that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more uploads. And I'll show you how to treat the watermarks. So this is the product we're going to use to treat the watermarks. I just bought this online. You can search this on any online shopping. And we will try this one. I'll tell you kung effective siya. So as you can see, dito tayo sa garage. And we'll show you later. Ito yung two windows. So on the left side, this is the part that we're going to apply the product. And on the right side, iiwan natin siyang untreated para ma-compare natin yung. Okay, so first, we're going to clean both windows. Ilan natin siya ng water. Gonna wipe it dry. So wipe lang natin siya para matuyo. Ayan. So both windows. So disclaimer lang, sa glass lang po natin gagamitin yung product. Hindi po kasama yung body ng car. So, glass lang. So, earlier, sabi natin, meron tayong two windows. So, para ma-compare natin kung effective yung product, yung side na to is yung iti-treat natin. And then, itong other side is yung iiwanan natin hindi treated. Para ma-compare natin kung matanggal yung watermarks. Okay? Or for health measure, pwede kayong gumamit ng gloves para hindi dumikit sa kamay nyo. Or if you want, pwedeng plastic. Pero ako, maghuhugas na lang ako later on para mahawakan ko maigi. And mai-apply ko maigi yung ating product. So, this is the product. Ayan. You can search this on any online shopping. So, try na natin. Okay, so mag-apply tayo ng drops. Small amount lang sa ating towel. Yan. Okay. And then, directly apply sa glass. In one position lang. Ayan. So, para makita nyo maigi, ididikit ko yung ating camera. So, ayan na siya. I-apply lang natin siya. Sa lahat ng areas para ma-cover up natin yung watermarks na stain dun sa ating glass. Yan. So, as you can see, medyo lumilinaw na yung glass natin compared dun sa kanina. So, continue nyo lang yung pag-apply until lahat ng surface ng glass is ma-cover up. Yan. And then, hayaan na natin siya mag-dry up. Yan. Then, you can do this sa lahat ng glasses ng car nyo. Pero, later on na lang yan para ma-compare muna natin before natin gawin sa lahat. Kita nyo, lumiliwanag na siya compared to this one na medyo hindi siya clear. Ito yung untreated part ng window natin. And this is the treated part. Nakita nyo, nag-spark yung kanyang glass. So, it means effective yung ating product. Yan. Pero disclaimer lang, hindi siya pwede sa ating mga side mirrors. Pang glass lang talaga siya. Okay, so ito na yung closer look ng ating salamin. Lilinisin natin siya ulit ng water and then i-dry up natin. Then tingnan natin, i-compare natin siya dito, which is ito yung untreated na glass. So this is the treated one. This is untreated. Then hugasan natin siya ng tubig. Okay, so now, hugasan natin siya ulit ng water. So as you can see, lumiwanag siya ng gusto. See? Nawala yung ating mga watermarks. Compared to this na, ayan. Ito yung untreated. Ito yung treated. You see the difference? So, effective naman yung product. So, this is the untreated glass and this is the treated one.